Making on the homestead today is we're going to make beautiful stuffed chicken breasts with bell peppers and some cheese, some garlic, as well as mushrooms and onions and some spices. So I'm just going to cut up the vegetables and I'll bring you back. They're now cut. So we're going to add in a teaspoon of olive oil and we're going to fry up those vegetables with the spices. So it's, again, I'm using chili peppers, a little bit of paprika, salt and pepper, so it's whatever flavor you prefer. I'm just going to add the vegetables in and the spices, and I'll bring you back once they start to cook a little bit. For the chili peppers as well as the paprika. So we're just going to fry it up a little bit, and I'm going to get the chicken ready for I can start stuffing these. What we're going to do now is we're going to take each chicken breast. I have them all prepared as I have a cut there. We're going to take a little pinch of cheese and we're going to stick that in there. Then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to fill in our mixture, which we sauteed in the pan. So we're just going to fill that with as much as we can get it to fit. Then we're going to do another little pinch of cheese. Then we're going to cover it up and we're going to bake it for about half hour to 45 minutes. So just like that. So we're just going to put that one at the spot and move to the next one. So I'll bring you back when I have them all done. This look like just before we wrap them up in tin foil and bake them at 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I'll just bring you back in 40 minutes and show you what they look like. As you can see, there is some water there, and what that water is sometimes you buy chicken and they use water to fill it up to make the breast look bigger than what it is. So we're just going to drain this water off. I'm going to use a ladle to do that, and I'll bring you back after I take it out of the oven after 10 minutes of browning. The water's been removed, so we're just going to put it back in the oven and bring it back in 10 minutes. We now have the chicken breast fully cooked, and we're just going to cut it in half just to show you what it looks like. And as you can see, it's fully cooked throughout and it looks fantastic. So like, subscribe, and check out one of my many videos and see what I'm cooking next.